Welcome to the Puzzle Monster channel. Today we are going to look at a cool trick for square numbers up to 1000. Alright, so how fast can you square this number without a calculator? 502 squared. You can use pen and paper to work this out and go. Okay, I'm going to get the answer 250004. Here it's 20 and we get 400252 and this is the answer. So how much time does it take? Few seconds? That's pretty cool, huh? Alright, I will come back to this number later. First, I will show you how to use this technique to square the numbers up to 1000. So let's start with a small number. Trust me, this is the best way to learn this trick. Okay, 45 squared. There are a few things to do in a certain order, and once you practice this a few times, you will be really fast. Alright, first we are going to square the first digit. 4 squared 16, and we get the square of the second digit 5 squared 25, and then we get the product of the two digits. 4 times 5 is 20 and we multiply it by 2 and we get 40. We put 40 here in the middle, and now we add these numbers and we get 5202. So this is the answer. That's really cool, huh? Alright, here's another example. 63 squared. Let's do this with me. We get the square of the first digit 36 and the square of the second digit is 9. Here we put it as a 2-digit number 09, and then we get the product of the two digits. 6 times 3 18 and multiply it by 2 36. So now we add these numbers and we get 9693, and this is the answer. Alright, now let's look at an example with 3 digits. 412 squared. Let's do this with me. 4 squared 16. 1 squared is 1, but we put it as 01 because we put this as a 2-digit number. 2 squared is 4, so 04. Now we are going to multiply these two digits and double it. So 4 times 1 is 4, double it 8, so we put 08 and multiply these two digits and double it. 1 times 2 is 2, multiply it by 2, 4, and we put it as 04. Now here we have an extra step. We multiply these two digits and double it. So 4 times 2 is 8 and double it 16. Now we add these numbers and we get 4, 4, 7, 9, 6 and 1. Okay, now let's go to our first example. 502 squared. 5 squared is 25 and the square of 0 is 0, but we put it like 0, 0, and the square of 2 is 4, so 04. 5 times 0 is 0 and 0 times 2 is 0, so we don't need to put anything. Now 5 times 2 is 10, double it, 20. Now we add these numbers and this is the answer. I wanted to share this cool trick with you, and if you enjoyed it, give me thumbs up and put it in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Cheers!